We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there, it's Brett over here at Onyx. In this video, I'll show you how to clean the scanner glass on your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283FDW or CDW. The first step is to open the scanner lid and expose the glass. Next, you'll need glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Do not spray the glass cleaner directly on the glass as that may damage it. Instead, spray some glass cleaner on the cloth and wipe the glass cleaner gently. Sometimes you may notice some whiteout or other marks on the glass. If that happens, just clean it again with the cloth until it's clear. If you're using the automatic document feeder, the ADF, and you see some defects or on your scanned documents, you may need to clean the small strip of glass next to the scanner glass up here. If defects persist, it may be time to service your printer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.